America loves an underdog, and John McCain is the underdog. Right now he's behind in the polls, he's behind in public perception, but that's why we love him, because he is the ultimate underdog. He is the fighter. He will get up and fight no matter how many times he gets knocked down, no matter how many times he gets outthought, outfought, out-strategized, or basically outmaneuvered. He never gives up. Now, on the other hand, take a look at Barack Obama. Yes, of course, he grew up from food stamps and ended up graduating magna cum laude from Harvard University, which I'm told is actually a difficult thing to do. But here's a guy who made a plan, who implemented it, and succeeded at what he was aiming for. This isn't an underdog, this is a winner. And he's doing that right now. Once again, he's up in the polls. He made a plan, and he's winning. He's not the underdog. For example, John McCain. 8 years ago, John McCain ran for the presidency, and he didn't win, but he didn't quit. He was beaten by George W. Bush. More people chose George W. Bush over John McCain that time. And did John McCain quit? Absolutely not. He fought, he turned things around, he came back, and now he is trying for the presidency again. Once again, let's contrast this to Senator Obama. Senator Obama, this is his first time running for president, and he was running against Hillary Clinton, whom everybody thought was just going to walk away with it. They thought it was a done deal. But Senator Obama made a strategy, he made a plan, and he implemented it, and he worked at it, and he won the nomination. And that's exactly what he's doing once again. So, once again, that's a winner. That's not an underdog. So when we think about the future of America, right now we're facing financial crises, and we're facing foreign affairs issues, and all sorts of other issues that are looming, major issues to be contended with. So you have to ask yourself, what do you want? Do you want somebody who makes a plan, implements it, and succeeds? Or do you want the guy who may not get things right, but he never gives up? He fights. He's the underdog. He's McCain. My name is Jonathan Nations, and these are words from my mouth. And this is where the tape is supposed to cut off. Can you just... no, never mind. I can do it. I can do it myself.